In this video, we will show you how to post on BEEHIIV. If you guys want to get started with BEEHIIV, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the BEEHIIV website. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you are logged in, find and click on the Posts section. This is where you will create and manage your posts. Next, click on the Start Writing button. This will open a new page where you can begin creating your post. On the new post page, you will see a field where you can enter the title of your post. Write a clear and engaging title for your readers. You can also choose to enable the option to show this title in the email that will be sent to your subscribers. If you have multiple authors, you can select the author of the post here. There is also an option to enable subtitles in the email, which can provide additional context to your readers. Now it is time to write your content. Enter the main body of your post in the provided space. Make sure to write clearly and engagingly to keep your readers interested. After you have written your post, click on the Preview button. This will show you how your post will look once it is published. It is a good idea to check for any errors or formatting issues at this stage. If you are happy with the preview, click on the Schedule button. You will then be given options to choose a publishing time. Select the time and date you want your post to go live. Before finalizing, click on the Review button. This is your last chance to make sure everything looks perfect. Check all the details carefully. Once you are satisfied with the review, click on Publish Now to make your post live immediately. After publishing, you can do a final preview by clicking on Preview again and then selecting Web to see how your post appears on your website. Go to your website settings and make sure all the details are updated. You can select a thumbnail image for your post here, which will appear alongside your post on the web. Finally, click on Schedule and Publish to confirm the publishing schedule. If you see a message that says there are no active subscribers in the selected audience, you can either change the audience or choose to publish the post only to the web without sending an email. So that is how to post on BEEHIIV. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with BEEHIIV. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.